Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you toothpaste with Vaseline will make you 18 years old looking girl with very simple ingredients at home. No matter your age, will get you an amazing baby looking skin and will remove the wrinkles and fine lines for you naturally with very simple ingredients. The first ingredient we'll need is, in a clean mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Then we need obviously to add on it 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, then we need 1 lemon, and cut the lemon in half and squeeze the lemon to get the fresh lemon juice. And mix the ingredients very well together. Once all the ingredients got mixed together and we got our remedy ready, apply generous amount on your skin like so. Apply it on your face and leave it, my friends, 45 minutes. After massaging the skin with it for 5 minutes like so, it's going to turn to a cream, whitish cream paste like that, my friends. Then rinse it with water, fresh water, and you're going to get rid of wrinkles permanently.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.